children, welcome to the computer class of 6th standard. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 6, Scratch Programming Introduction to Game Creation. Today in this video we will learn the following topic from pages number 70 till 72. We will learn how to work with multiple sprites. Before going to start the chapter, let's discuss few key terms that we will learn from page number 70. Here you can see the first term is repeat block, where repeat block is used to repeat the enclosed script for the specified number of times. For example, if you want your sprite to repeat the actions for particular number of times, you can use repeat block. The next term is there forever block, where forever block is used to repeat the enclosed script in a loop that never ends. Means if you want your sprite to repeat the actions for long time, then we will use forever block. Now open your computer book at page number 70. There you will see the topic working with multiple sprites. Here you will see there are the steps to work with multiple sprites. If you want to add 2 or more sprites on your stage of Scratch window, then you need to follow these steps. Here you can see step number 1 is click on Start button, then click on Scratch 2.0. Step number 2, remove the cat sprite by right-clicking on it and select the delete option. Now look at your book at page number 71. Here you will see step number 4 is click on any sprite using choose sprite from library button. After selecting the sprite, you have to click on OK button. And for taking the next sprite, again we need to repeat step number 4 and 5. Let's see it practically now. Click on Start button. From Start submenu, click on Scratch 2.0. After clicking on Scratch 2.0, you will get Scratch window on your screen. Now here you can see we have by default cat sprite on our Scratch window. Now we can delete this sprite by right clicking on it and click on delete option. Here you can see the sprite has been removed from your stage. Now to take a new sprite, we will click on choose sprite from library button. After clicking on choose sprite from library button, we will choose any 2 sprites that we want on our stage. For example, I'm going to click on this sprite and I will click on OK button. Now here you can see I have added a sprite on my Scratch window. I will make its size bigger so that you can see it clearly. Now again I will take another sprite. By repeating the same steps, I will click on choose a sprite from library button. Now I will find another sprite. For example, here I am going to choose this sprite. Now again I will click on OK button. Now here you can see I have added 2 sprites on the stage. Now I will change the background of the stage by clicking on choose backdrop from library button. Here I am going to change the background of the stage. Here you can see I have chosen this Stage 2 option and click on OK button. Now here you can see the background of the stage has been changed. Now again look at your book at page number 71. Here you will see the step number 7. Select the sprite one by one and create the blocks tab on script area step by step. Now here you can see from your book from figure 6.11 and 6.12 I am going to make project of these sprites. Let's see it practically. Now here you will see first of all I will start writing coding of the first sprite, that is of boy's sprite. I will select the boy's sprite and then to start the coding first of all I will click on events block. From events block I will click on when clicked block. Now to start the conversation I will click on looks block. From there you will see we will use say block as we have done in our previous video also. Here I have given message say hello for 2 seconds. I will change here time for 1 second. Now I will click on another sprite, that is of girl's sprite. Here again I will start the first block with when clicked. Now I will give a pause for 1 second. So I will take here wait block. Now here I will take another say block from looks block. Here you can see I have taken say block and I will type here the message yes brother. And this message will display for 1 second. Now I will click on first sprite and there I will give wait from control block. I have taken here wait block for 3 seconds. Now the first sprite will change its costume. So I will click on looks block. Here you can see to change the posture of the sprite I will click on next costume. Here you can see I have taken another say block. In this say block I will type a message. Can you demonstrate the exercise which I have taught you? For 2 seconds. Now I will click on another sprite where after say block I will give wait here for 6 seconds using control block. Now here I will take another say block from looks block where I will type the message sure. Now here I will give the time 2 seconds. Now click on first sprite and give here wait using control block. I will give here wait of 5 seconds. Now click on another sprite and there you will see we are going to show the exercises. So we have to repeat the actions for certain number of times. So here I will take repeat block using control block. Here I have taken repeat. I will repeat the exercises for 5 times. In repeat, I will take wait for each exercise. Here you can see I have taken 1 second. Then I will take next costume so that this sprite can change its posture. Here you can see. Now we have done. Wait for 1 second for each exercise which next costume block will show. Now look at your book at page number 72. There you will see the last step. Step number 8 is click on green flag button to run your sprite. Let's say it practically now. Now to see the result, click on full view mode button. Now click on this green flag button. So here you have seen the girl's sprite has performed the exercises steps for certain number of times. Now click on again this full view mode button to come back to the normal view. Now again look at your book at page number 71. Here you will see the first let's know more box where the key terms of repeat and forever is given that we have already discussed earlier. Now look at the second know the fact box where steps are given. To open help dialog box, right click on any block and select help. In short description of the block, you will get help dialog box. Let's see it practically. Now here you can see just right click on any block and in the shortcut menu you will get help option. Here you will see all tips block will appear where you can see the working of this particular block and how we can use it with another blocks. Till now in this video we have learned the following key terms from page number 70, that is repeat block and forever block. Now revise all the terms and step questions that we have performed today and also do the practice of same project.